Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy here, and we're back again with another video. 2025 is just around the corner. We're diving into the top 10 high-paying tech skills to master. Let's jump right into it. Alright, kicking things off at number 1, we've got artificial intelligence and machine learning, or AI and ML for short. Now, you've probably heard these buzzwords thrown around a lot, and for good reason. This stuff is straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's here, it's real, and it's only getting bigger. We're talking about machines that can learn from data, make decisions, and even predict the future. Well, sort of. Think self-driving cars, personalized recommendations, and spam filters. That's AI and ML in action. Companies are integrating AI and need skilled professionals. They're willing to pay top dollar for it. We're talking serious six-figure salaries. Wondering where to start? Don't worry, we got you covered. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer specialized courses. These courses will equip you with the skills to conquer this field. What kind of salary can you expect as an AI or ML guru? Entry-level positions start from $120,000 per year. Senior roles like AI architects earn over $200,000. AI and ML are shaping the future, offering exciting opportunities. Ready to dive into this rewarding field? Let's move on. Alright, moving on to number 2 on our list, we have cloud computing. The cloud is the backbone of the digital world, storing everything from cat videos to business data. Companies need skilled professionals to manage and secure these environments. Major players include Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. Cloud computing is the future, but what skills do you need? Understand virtualization, networking, and security. Work with virtual machines and secure data. Specialize in a major cloud platform. Each has unique features and services. Use resources to master these platforms. AWS, Google, and Microsoft offer courses and certifications. Certifications boost your credibility. Entry-level cloud engineers earn well. Salaries range from $110,000 to $150,000. Senior roles can exceed $200,000. The cloud industry is growing exponentially. Thinking about a tech career with job security? Cybersecurity is your answer. With every connected device, the need for cybersecurity grows. Protect sensitive information and defend against cyber attacks. High stakes, high rewards. So, what does a cybersecurity pro actually do all day? Well, it's not all hacking into the mainframe like you see in the movies. Though I'll admit some aspects are pretty close. You might be a security analyst, monitoring systems for suspicious activity, kind of like a digital detective. Or maybe you're a penetration tester, ethically hacking into systems to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. That's right, you get paid to hack. Then there's the world of security engineering, where you're building the systems and infrastructure to keep data safe. Think of it like designing a digital fortress, complete with firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and all sorts of other cool tech. And let's not forget about incident response. When a breach does happen, these are the folks who jump into action, containing the damage and figuring out how to prevent it from happening again. It's fast-paced, it's challenging, and it's definitely not for the faint of heart. Data. It's everywhere. Every click, every swipe, every purchase generates a massive amount of data. And in the right hands, that data can be incredibly valuable. That's where data science comes in. It's all about extracting insights from data, finding patterns and trends that would otherwise remain hidden. Think of it like being a digital archaeologist, digging through mountains of information to uncover hidden treasures. Companies across every industry are using data to make better decisions, improve their products, and gain a competitive edge. They want to know what customers like, what they don't like, and how to give them exactly what they want. And that's where data scientists come in. They're the ones who can make sense of it all. Now, data science isn't just about crunching numbers. It also involves a good amount of creativity and problem solving. So, you're ready to dive into the world of data science? Great. The good news is, there are tons of resources available to help you get started. Platforms like DataCamp, Coursera, and Kaggle offer fantastic courses on everything from data analysis to machine learning. These platforms are like digital playgrounds for aspiring data scientists, with real-world datasets and challenges to test your skills. And speaking of Kaggle, it's not just a learning platform, it's also a community of data enthusiasts from around the world. You can participate in competitions, collaborate on projects, and learn from the best in the business. But here's the thing about data science, it's a constantly evolving field. New tools and techniques emerge all the time, so you gotta be a lifelong learner. Remember the days when software development was like a relay race? Developers would build an app, toss it over to the operations team and hope for the best? Yeah, those days are over. Enter DevOps, a methodology that's all about breaking down silos and bringing development and operations teams together. It's like building a bridge between two islands, allowing for smoother communication, faster deployments, and happier teams. The goal of DevOps is to create a continuous delivery pipeline, where code changes can be released quickly and reliably. This means automating everything from testing to deployment, so you can get new features and updates into the hands of users faster. And in today's fast-paced tech world, speed is everything. Companies that can deliver software quickly and efficiently have a major advantage. That's why DevOps professionals are in such high demand. So, what does it take to become a DevOps master? You'll need a solid understanding of both development and operations. Think of it like being bilingual, but instead of languages, you're fluent in code and infrastructure. Be comfortable with cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. Familiarize yourself with tools like Docker and Kubernetes, but DevOps is more than just tools, it's a mindset. It's about collaboration, communication, and continuous improvement. Breaking down barriers and working together to deliver the best product. Tons of great resources are available to level up your skills. Udemy, Linux Academy, and AWS and Azure offer certifications to boost your resume. Alright, we've all heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the hype around crypto, but blockchain, the tech behind it all, is so much bigger. Think of it like the early days of the internet. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible. And it's not just about digital currencies, we're talking supply chain transparency, secure digital identities, even revolutionizing how we vote. This stuff has the potential to change how we interact with the digital world. Now, building these decentralized systems requires a specific skill set. Enter blockchain developers. These are the coders writing the future, the ones turning these complex concepts into real-world applications. With the demand for blockchain skills skyrocketing, companies are scrambling to find talent. This translates into some seriously competitive salaries, making it a lucrative path for those willing to dive in. Section 2. Your path to the chain. So, how do you get started with blockchain development? There are tons of resources available. Blockchain Council, IBM Blockchain Certification, great places to earn credentials. And let's not forget online learning. Platforms like Udemy offer a wide range of blockchain courses from beginner-friendly to advanced concepts like smart contract development. Dive into the code yourself. Open-source platforms like Ethereum have thriving communities. Contribute to real-world projects. The blockchain space is all about continuous learning. As the technology evolves, so too will the skills needed to thrive. Stay curious, experiment, and you might build the next big thing in blockchain. In the world of web development, full-stack developers are like the Swiss Army knives. They handle both the front end, the part of the website you see and interact with, and the back end, which is all the behind-the-scenes magic that makes it work. Think about your favorite website or app. Every button you click, every form you submit, a full-stack developer had a hand in making all of that happen seamlessly. It's about having a solid understanding of how all the pieces fit together, from HTML and CSS to databases and server-side languages. This versatility is incredibly valuable in today's fast-paced tech industry. Companies love full-stack developers because they can wear multiple hats, streamlining the development process. The good news is becoming a full-stack developer is more accessible than ever. You've got platforms like FreeCodeCamp, Codecademy, and Udemy offering comprehensive courses covering everything from the basics to advanced frameworks. The web development landscape is constantly evolving. Staying curious and continuously expanding your skill set is key. Work on personal projects, build your own website, create a web app, or contribute to open-source projects on GitHub. These hands-on experiences are invaluable. With the right resources and a willingness to learn, you can master the skills needed to build amazing things for the web. We're living in a world where everyday objects are becoming smarter and more connected. Your refrigerator can order groceries, your thermostat can learn your preferences, and your car can drive itself. Well, almost. This is the power of the Internet of Things, or IoT. It's all about embedding sensors, software, and connectivity into physical devices, allowing them to collect and exchange data. This creates a massive network of interconnected things, from smart home appliances to industrial machines and everything in between. Now, building and maintaining these complex systems requires specialized skills. That's where IoT specialists come in. These are the engineers, developers, and architects who design, implement, and manage the infrastructure that makes IoT possible. As the adoption of IoT continues to explode, the demand for skilled professionals is only going to increase. We're talking about a wide range of industries being transformed, from healthcare and manufacturing to transportation and agriculture. So, how do you break into the exciting world of IoT? A great place to start is by building a strong foundation in the underlying technologies. We're talking about networking fundamentals, sensor technology, data analytics, and of course programming. Platforms like Coursera and EDX offer specialized courses in IoT, covering everything from the basics to more advanced concepts. Cisco has a comprehensive IoT certification track that can validate your skills and enhance your credibility in the job market. New technologies and applications are emerging all the time, so staying curious and continuously learning will be key to your success in this field. What about what you actually see and interact with? That's where UI/UX design comes in. It's more than just making things look pretty, it's about the whole experience. Companies pay top dollar for designers who create intuitive, user-friendly experiences. With salaries ranging from $80,000 to $120,000 a year, it's a skill worth considering. Thinking about UI/UX design? You're in luck. Tons of resources are available. Platforms like Figma are industry standards. Learn at your own pace and build a solid foundation. Develop your eye for design and understanding of user behavior. Create experiences that are functional and enjoyable. Alright, let's talk about the future. And I'm not talking about self-driving cars or robots, I'm talking about augmented reality and virtual reality. AR and VR have been hyped up for years, but they're finally starting to live up to the potential. We're not just talking about gaming here, although that's a huge part of it. Think about surgeons using AR to overlay patient data during surgery, architects walking clients through virtual buildings before a single brick is laid, or even just trying on clothes virtually without leaving your house. AR and VR are blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds, and it's opening up a world of possibilities. And with that comes a huge demand for skilled developers who can bring these immersive experiences to life. We're talking about creating entire virtual worlds, designing interactive experiences, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. This is definitely not your average 9-to-5 job. If you're someone who thrives on creativity, loves pushing boundaries, and wants to be at the forefront of technological innovation, then AR/VR development might just be your calling. Ready to dive into AR/VR? There's never been a better time to start. Unity is the leading platform for AR/VR, accessible for beginners. Tons of tutorials, documentation, and a supportive community. And then there are online courses. Udemy offers a range of AR/VR courses from beginner to advanced. Coursera has excellent options taught by industry experts. Mastering AR/VR is about creating immersive experiences. It's about storytelling, user experience, and psychology. Explore, experiment, and let your imagination run wild. With the right skills, you could be an architect of the AR/VR world. So, there you have it. The top 10 high-paying tech skills to learn in 2025. These skills are shaping the future, and by mastering them, you can set yourself on a path to a successful career. From AI and cybersecurity to UI UX design and AR VR, each offers unique opportunities. The best skill for you depends on your interests and career goals. The tech industry is constantly evolving. What's hot today might be obsolete tomorrow. Be adaptable, be a lifelong learner, and always push yourself to grow. Which skill are you most interested in learning? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to The Curated Edge, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.